May seem a little wild to be talking about seed starting right now, but some crops really need to be started early, especially those that are sensitive to heat. So let's go through all the seeds that I'm starting for January. So for the first week in January, I'm going to be starting my celery as well as all of my onions and leeks. And I'm also going to be starting the cold stratification process for my echinacea, also known as purple coneflower. It's a great medicinal plant. So in order to cold stratify them, I'm actually just going to put some of the seeds in the fridge for a month, but I won't actually be sowing the seeds until the first week of February. Now, if you're not familiar with cold stratification, it just means that some seeds germinate much better when exposed to cooler weather. It helps break down the seed and get them to germinate better, and it also mimics what happens in nature. So for example, many flowers will drop their seeds in the fall and then they overwinter and then they sprout in the spring. So we're just trying to mimic some of that by putting the seeds in the fridge for a month. Now in the second week of January, I'm going to be starting my parsley because that is a cool weather herb. And then in the third week of January, I am starting my artichokes. Yes, those are perennial. It's actually my first year I'm going to be growing artichokes, so I'm excited to show you what those look like. Now, keeping with our more cold hardy plants theme, in the fourth week of January, I'm going to be starting my Brussels sprouts, my Swiss chard, and my kale. Everything I've just listed out to you guys, I will be starting inside.